You know, the first time someone hears my music, a common question I hear is, what is iniquity? What separates you from the rest? Honestly, I'm just trying to be me. Is that so hard to understand? Listen, I've been called a few things in my life, and there's one word that pisses me off. So let all of you into my world, to whomever this may concern. Call me unspoken, that's what they see me to be. Exactly the type of behavior gives me reason to speak. I may be passive at times, but sometimes I need to release. So why not the first track and still give you reason to see? I'm a beast when I come through, when I'm just a regular person. At least I stay true, my views are just a regular version of opinion. I don't force my ways, don't wanna see hurting. A Spartan to this world, so come with me, not the Persians. I am a fighter, a warrior, don't try to convert me. I am a lighter, I spark your will, so try to revert me. But I guarantee failure, true music is keeping me going. Once a beat hits the speakers, I am not human, I'm zoning. This is my home, my domain, homie. My lyrical honing, you are a witness to my mastery. Feel free to pay homage. I try to stay humble and stay nowhere close to defeat. I must succumb to the fact this moment is my reason to be. The point of my existence is to rhyme and feel free. I'ma keep existing and fulfill my fucking destiny. I am iniquity. Definition you ask, iniquity is me. Just a voice in my past and my present and your future. So I'm just trying to give reason to the ordinary people who feel like life is producing nothing but bullshit. Yeah, I'm tight. It's time that we loosen. My life before this moment seems to end like that to a nuisance. I'm just grateful that I've proven failure is not a form of choice. With music we have opportunity, we must rejoice. So I'd like to thank you all for listening to my work. You can spread it or diss me, it doesn't matter, I'm not hurt. Your ears have healed me of my pain, I owe you my life. All I want is to be heard and to fly up high like a kite. Yeah, I'm always in one, if you catch my drift. Hell, I'm on a different world as I write this shit. Yo, my legacy is written, I'm about to fuck the world like an embassy of bitches. I am not about to quitting, I'm winning. I just wanna be a swimmer in the grandest sea of riches. Yeah, and as you try to catch your breath, I just aim to go further. My destination is the